The Secret of Kindness, a tale of friendship and sharing. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green hills and pretty fields, there lived a kind girl named Emily. She loved animals and believed that being friends and sharing with others was magical. One sunny day, Emily found a baby deer in the woods. It had hurt its leg and couldn't walk. Emily felt sad and knew she needed to help. She gently bandaged the deer's leg and took care of it every day. They became the best of friends. People in the village heard about Emily's special friendship with the deer. Other animals began to trust her too. Birds landed on her shoulders. Squirrels played around her, and rabbits hopped near her. They all knew she was kind and caring. One day, hungry rabbits came to Emily. They had traveled a long way looking for food. Without thinking, Emily shared her picnic with them. She divided her sandwich and fruits among her furry friends. The rabbits were so grateful that they shared their food too. It was like a chain of kindness. Emily and her animal friends did many things together. They helped birds build nests, guided lost hedgehogs home, and even had a big feast where everyone brought something to share. The village became a happy place where humans and animals lived in harmony. Emily's kindness inspired others to be kind too. People in the village learned that sharing and caring brought happiness to everyone. They saw how important it was to be kind to animals and each other. As Emily grew older, she realized that kindness could change the world. She was thankful for the friendships she had made and knew that being kind was the most important thing. The story of Emily and her animal friends became a legend in the village. It taught everyone that kindness could make a difference and create a world full of love and friendship. And so, the village lived happily ever after, sharing and caring for all.